Okay, we have my '05 Dodge Magnum that I just put a dynomax catback exhaust on. Took me about 45 minutes. I didn't run it. It has stock system on it before, so everybody knows what that sounds like, and pretty quiet, which was nice, but we wanted something a little bit better. Alright, there's the old exhaust, tailpipe, resonator. I want to go into here a little bit, check out the install. Yeah. Got a 4-inch tip, stainless, it's aluminized pipe. I didn't go crazy with stainless. Okay, there it is. Took me about 35 minutes to do. Basically cut the whole system down with a Sawzall real quick. And left parts of the hangers on. And then just replaced it. The new stuff. A lot easier. So let's go start it up and see what's what. Hopefully it's not too loud. I'll be pissed. I'm gonna let it down a little. Crack that one loose. Wheels chalked, had everything up. Jack stands on these, so everything was safe. So let's start this thing and see what happens. Here's the tip. Looks pretty cool. It's a shitty day out, but oh wow, sounds good. Not too loud. I like that. This looks good too. Still fairly quiet. Shit. Sounds good. I can't really put the phone down. Let's see if I can do this. It didn't work out so good, but anyway, the rev limiter won't let me rev it past $4 grand, so I have to take care of that too. I have to figure out they make a kit for that. But there you have it.